Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into your Royal Match game. For that, just open our game and it will ask you if it can track your activities. Allow it or don't, it's up to you guys, and tap on that button, and then simply you need to tap on this gear button and tap on quit button, and then cross it. And now what you need to do is tap on your gear button, that's our settings, and tap on save your tap on save your progress option, and you can sign in with your Google, Facebook or Apple account, and just select wherever you wanna connect this game, and select your Google account if you are using Google account, and they will ask you to give access about your name, profile picture and email, and then tap on continue button, and that is how you can sign up into your game. And now you have to enter your username, and after that tap on continue button and now you have to select your avatar, your frame and your name, and simply tap on save button, and that is how you can sign up into your Royal Match. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.